everyone. My name is Vidisha and I'm here along with my teammate Varsha. We are from Amrita Vishwadvipeetham Mysuru campus. In this video, we'll be presenting a literature review based on around 100 research papers related to our topic. I'll begin the presentation and later Varsha will continue with the next section. The title of our topic is The Hidden Strain, Measuring Hand Grip Strength and Fatigue in BGMI Gameplay Using a Hand Grip Dynamometer. So this is how our literature overview is. We have 7 key themes, that is hand grip and musculoskeletal health, smartphone overuse, measurement tools, gaming demands, PUBG addiction, general grip, hand grip strength studies, and broader gaming and health studies. So this is our first theme, that is hand grip and musculoskeletal health. Starting with 2018, studies showed that PUBG addiction directly strains the hand grip muscles, and heavy mobile gamers also develop trapezium tension. In 2019, researchers found that cell phone elbow syndrome reduced manual dexterity in PUBG players, and prolonged device use was linked to more upper limb discomfort. By 2020, the evidence became stronger. Smartphone gaming was found to lower overall hand grip strength, while frequent gaming also reduced fine motor dexterity. In 2021, studies on adolescents revealed that larger hand size was associated with stronger grip, but also emphasized that early interventions is necessary to prevent long-term hand problems. Finally, in 2022, it was shown that higher levels of smartphone addiction led to weaker grip strength, and esport players were found to face higher risks of repetitive strain injuries. So, gaming's impact on hand health, that is, decline in grip strength and dexterity. Overall, extensive gaming negatively affects hand performance and musculoskeletal health. The effects fall into 3 main areas. First, strain and pain. Long gaming sessions lead to muscle fatigue and discomfort in hands and wrists. Second, smartphone effects, that is, overuse reduces grip strength and fine motor skills, while repetitive thumb and finger actions put pressure on tendons and nerves. Third, that is addiction and risk. Gaming addiction increases long term risks such as chronic pain, disability, and higher chances of musculoskeletal disorders. Our second theme, that is smartphone overuse effects. In 2019, research started showing that physical impact of excessive thumb use, finding that it slowed nerve signals and weakened grip strength, with smartphone addiction causing increased musculoskeletal pain among students. By 2020, further studies revealed that smartphone addiction was linked to reduced grip strength and upper limb disability, highlighting a growing concern for hand health. In 2021, findings showed that addicted gamers not only had weaker grip but also lower pain tolerance, while prolonged phone use continued to impair overall hand function. Then by 2022, research confirmed that overuse of smartphones and gaming devices reduces grip strength, affects tendons and nerves, and that addiction is associated with greater pain and disability, making musculoskeletal problems a common and emerging issues among gamers. Our third theme is measurement tool reliability. In order to study gaming's impact on grip strength, it's important to know whether our measurement tools are reliable or not. From 2018 onwards, studies confirm that both manual and digital dynamometers are reliable for grip strength measurement. By 2019 and 2020, the Camry dynamometer proved to be a low-cost, valid, and reliable alternative to standard tools. Then in 2021, devices like Jamar and Sports Medical Solutions showed strong reliability, while the Pablo VR system introduced virtual reality into grip strength testing. In 2022, the Squeak Smart Dynamometer demonstrated reliability for repeated use. And most recently, in 2023, digital dynamometers with accelerometers expanded testing by capturing additional aspects of muscle functions, not just grip strength. So overall, we see consistent evidence that these tools are dependable and evolving. So with that, I hand over to my teammate Varsha, who will continue with the next part of our presentation.
Let's now move forward as I take you through the next section of our presentation. Now we will look at the findings more generally, summarizing key points across studies. Physical demands of gaming, muscle fatigue, game specific patterns. Muscle fatigue, playing games for long hours can cause tiredness in your wrist and arms, and this has been consistently shown in studies from 2018 to 2021. Game specific patterns, different types of games affect your muscle in different ways, which each genre creating unique movement and fatigue patterns. PUBG addiction effects, academic impact. PUBG addiction causes a decline in academic performance due to loss of focus on study times. Sleep disorder, late night gaming leads to disrupted sleep patterns and fatigue. Behavioral changes, excessive play increases aggression, irritability, and social isolation. Social effects, addiction fosters narcissism, consumer culture, and weakens real life relationships. General hand grip strength studies, indicator of muscle strength and endurance. Hand grip strength shows overall muscle power and stamina linked to hand function and body measures. It correlates with daily hand function and body composition, reflects regional muscle mass. Stronger grip indicates better muscle mass in specific body regions. Marker of nutritional status, grip strength help access nutrition and overall health. Influenced by adolescence factors, growth, age, and puberty significantly affect grip strength in adolescents. Broader gaming and health studies, assessment of gaming addiction in children and adolescents. Gaming addiction in youth is assessed by looking for signs like excessive gaming, mood changes, and problems with daily activities. Link between digital addiction and physical activity levels. Digital addiction is linked to spending less time on physical activity, which can harm health. Effect of video gaming on mental well-being. Video gaming can affect mental well-being in both positive and negative ways, such as stress relief or increased anxieties. Research gap, lack of specific measurements. Many studies fail to use detailed or specific ways to measure gaming's effects. Grip strength underused. Grip strength, how strong someone's hand is hasn't been used much in accessing gamers. Physical impact overlooked. The physical effects of gaming are often ignored in research, leaving gaps in understanding health impacts. Novelty objective testing. This is the first study to measure hand fatigue from playing PUBG using a grip strength device. Hidden strain evidence. It proves that grip strain drops while gaming, showing physical strain that's not always obvious. New health maker, grip strain could be a quick and easy way to spot health risk linked to gaming. Conclusion, we don't have enough studies showing how gaming affects the body. Things like hand strength, tiredness, and weakness are barely looked at. So, we really need more research on this. And I will show you the research papers we have referred. So, these are the papers we have referred. We categorize them into 7 themes. First is hand grip and musculoskeletal health. Under that, these papers will come. Second is smartphone overuse effects. Third theme is measurement tools reliability. Fourth is physical demands of gaming. Fifth is PUBG addiction effects. Sixth is broader gaming and health studies. And at the last, general hand grip strength studies. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this helpful.